Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Today will be super helpful video for any of you trying to find the fuse and the relay for the rear differential on Jeep Cherokee. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, guys, where you can find that fuse relay for the rear differential. And by the way, if you need to buy the replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can see where we get them from, and you can get almost anything you need to as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The rear differential fuses and relays. Come, guys, we'll show you where you can find them on that generation Jeep Cherokee. But quick advice, guys, there are hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee and most owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. What we guys need to do now, we need to open the hood, and the moment you open the hood you will be facing your engine, right? And here, that's your engine. On the right side of it, that's the main engine fuse box. On the driver's side, you see these two tabs, press them together, leave the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. The RDM rear differential module fuse, guys, where you can expect to find that fuse. Let's talk about that now. So coming this way, guys, you see these three fuses here. Okay, that one right here, fuse number 76. Okay, that's the one that you will need to check for the rear differential module, the RDM fuse, guys. You don't have relays, you have only that fuse on your Jeep Cherokee. That's known as a relay fuse. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.